Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Russian for Everybody. And today we are going to learn the difference between two Russian verbs, плакать and платить. I think that this topic will be interesting for you because most of my students always make mistakes in the producing of the first person present tense, because it will be absolutely the same, only differs with the accent, like я плачу, я плачу. So, if you want to know the difference between these two verbs, be with me till the end of this video. So, let's get started. And the first verb for today is плакать, плакать, which means to cry. So, how we change this verb in the present tense? Плакать. Я плачу. I'm crying. Я плачу. Ты плачешь. Ты плачешь. You cry. Один человек. Он, она плачет. He, she cries. Мы плачем. We cry. Вы плачете. You, group of people, or one person polite. Плачете. Вы плачете. И они плачут. They cry. И my example. Девочка громко плачет, потому что она упала. Девочка громко плачет, потому что она упала. Okay, and the second our verb for today is платить. Платить means to pay. So, how we change this verb in the present tense? Я плачу. So, compare with the previous verb. Because I'm crying will be я плачу, but I pay will be я плачу. Я плачу. Ты платишь. You pay, one person. Ты платишь. Он, она платит. He, she pays. Мы платим. We pay. Вы платите. You pay, group of people or one person polite. И они платят. So, as you see, these two verbs have absolutely the same form of the present tense in the first person, only the accent differs. But these two verbs belong to different conjugations. So, плакать, to cry, is the first conjugation, группа 1, and платить, to pay, is the second group, группа 2. And my example to the verb платить. Если потеряешь ключ, придется платить штраф. Если потеряешь ключ, придется платить штраф. Okay, I hope that everything was clear. If you have any questions, please write me in comments. I, of course, answer all of them. And if you want me to make some videos for your interesting topic, you can write me a request. And I promise to think about this topic in the future. So, большое вам спасибо. See you next time. До встречи и пока-пока.